number 1, Shivaji Company, contribution of NCC in nation building. Request your permission to begin, sir. Thank you, sir. For a nation, if you plan for a year, sow paddy. If you plan for a decade, plant the trees. If plan for a future, then nurture youth. Today, India is one of the nations with the maximum number of youth in the world. More than 52% of its total population are below 25 years old. These youths are not useless. They are useless. They are not careless. They are careless. So NCC cared for them, train them, motivate them, and also provide relevant opportunity to represent their qualities towards the national building and upliftment of our country. NCC inculcate the sense of patriotism, secular values, and feel proud about our national with its rich culture and heritage. Also motivate the cadets towards the nation building through national unity and social cohesion. NCC display the religious tolerance and linguistic tolerance and trying to know how to solve their problems and face challenges to build up their cultural values. By the training of NCC, each cadet become a qualified human resource. With this talent, they can take up any career and lead. More particularly, NCC cadets are motivated to take up the career in armed forces, naval, air force, and Indian Army. The systematic training of NCC cadet covers an individual development and social responsibility. In individual development, they learn drill, physical, yoga, sports, and adventurous activity. In social responsibility, they do community development, environmental awareness program, sanitation hygiene program. Other than this, every individual train themselves on new technologies and digital India, which is required on this era. We undoubtedly say that every NCC cadet has an ability to create an identity for themselves and put forward our nation. Now, briefing over to chest number 239.
NCC cadets are taken through various types of training activities which help them in their all-round development. Physical training and yoga makes them physically and mentally strong, cool, calm, composed, yet confident and motivated individuals. Drill makes them disciplined and thus responsible citizens and valuable prospective employee for any organization. Sports imbibes within them the ability to accept both success or failure with humility and grace and make consistent efforts for all future endeavors. Engaging them in adventurous activities gives them the courage to overcome their fear and take the real world challenges head on. Apart from these, cadets are also engaged in various social service and community development programs on voluntary basis. This makes them more sensitive towards issues of national and social importance. During the training, cadets develop and own their character qualities, comradeship, sportsman spirit, and leadership skills. These trained cadets go on to become leaders in all walks of their life. What we see here is a list of some notable and renowned personalities of India who have once upon a time been an NCC cadet. Not to mention that this is not an extensive or exhaustive list. Over to chest number 81 for further briefing.
National Cadet Corps has adopted a lot of activities on community development, social empowerment, sanitation and hygiene, and the protection of environment for a bright future. Community development. NCC has brought together people from diverse background, religion, region, community, culture and languages and inculcated in them common values of humanism, patriotism and selfless service. This symbolizes the philosophy of unity in diversity, which is the trademark of our nationhood. As shown in the installation, NCC join hands in assisting the weaker sections of our society, helping them in their upliftment through a varied range of programs that include campaigning against dowry, female feticide, sexual discrimination, discrimination of other kind, leprosy, tobacco, drug abuse, and through the active participation in blood donation, adult education, and disaster management. NCC keep vigilance in eradicating deadly diseases like HIV, AIDS, and polio. NCC also has contributed in reducing the prevalence rate of HIV AIDS from 0.58% to 0.33% over the last 5 years. NCC work hand in hand with the Ministry of Health in its intensified infant immunization program Mission Indradhanush to eradicate diseases like diphtheria, pertussis, tetany, tuberculosis, and polio. Since 2015, no case of polio has been reported in our nation. Sanitation and hygiene. With an exquisite diction, NCC create awareness about the need of maintaining sanitation and hygiene among the people. This has resulted in reducing cases like open defecation, obsession in the use of polythene, and the deliberate dumping of garbages instead of their proper disposal. This has also resulted in the upliftment of our global recognition. Environmental concern. In its national service activities, NCC incorporate growing concern on environmental hazards like deforestation, global warming, water scarcity, and pollution. It tried to nullify the impact of these hazards through social forestry and tree plantation. Aware and engaged youth of NCC is transforming our nation by developing it to eradicate poverty, underdevelopment, diseases, and ignorance by becoming the change that we want to see. Besides uniform and uniformity, NCC is about unity, which is the currency of nation building. The overwhelming original virtues and the growing acceptability of NCC illustrate that the organization is capable of leading our people towards nation building. With that, I conclude this briefing. Jai Hind, sir.
Well done.